Alright, I got another video for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to check the status of the key, your BMW key. This machine, the IM508 with the XP400 Pro. This key is linked to a vehicle already, so I'm going to show you guys the process of how you can check the key to make sure that it's linked, that if it's locked or not from a vehicle, and see if we can unlock it from the tool. Okay, so you go to Mobilizer. Click on BMW. Okay, so we're gonna go to manual selection. I'm gonna go to 3 series. I'm gonna go to E90. Okay, this is the E90 key. Okay, so then we go to control unit. You go to CAS 3 Plus system. Then we go to key operation. Okay, as you can see, they have key data, key learning, enable, disable keys. So you can enable and disable keys in the car. Key preprocessing, that's the processing before you learn the key. Key status and everything. So I'm gonna click on key status here. So it says make sure that the program is connected to it, so it's connected. So right now it's gonna scan it. That light's gonna start blinking. It's gonna scan it. It's detecting the chip. And basically it'll let you know if it's locked. So as you can see now, it says that it's locked. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to unlock the key because I have the key information. You can unlock it from EEPROM, CAS 3 Plus, EEPROM unlock with key data and unlock with the OBD2. So if you plug this into the OBD2 port, you could unlock the key. If it was registered to your car before and or whatever, you can just unlock it by OBD. I've done that, just erase the key by OBD and then was able to use the key for another vehicle, but only if it allows you to unlock the key. Sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it does. So I'm going to try it right now. I have the key data on the computer, so what I'm going to do is go to backed up data that I have on the computer and use that to delete the data for this. So these are VIN numbers and stuff that I have here. I can't show you guys everybody's VIN numbers and stuff. So just clicked on the VIN number. So then you hit OK. So now it's trying to unlock it. Please wait. I've never done it this way before, so I'm gonna try it. I'm trying it now, showing you guys. Hopefully this can unlock BMW keys, a used one, to be able to reuse it. Fingers crossed. So while this is trying to unlock, I'll just pause the video for you guys and come back to when it's done. It'll take a couple minutes. And there we go. It went through. I didn't think it would work, but it definitely did work. It unlocked the key. So basically with this, oh, that's pretty cool. I was able to unlock the key. So now it should be a virgin key. So this key I can use now to program to another vehicle, another BMW. Okay, so let me check it now. I'm going to go to key status, recheck it again, see what it says. That's really cool. See, it's unlocked. So now this key can work for another vehicle. If I wanted to program this to another BMW, I can now because the key's unlocked. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys the process of how to unlock a BMW key. The other ones would be through EEPROM, meaning taking out the computer and connecting the connectors, or just plugging it into the OBD2 port, like the machine itself here. Plug it into the OBD2 port and then turn the ignition on, and then basically you put this in the XP400 and it'll unlock the key for you and you can reuse it on another vehicle. All right, I just wanted to make this video for you guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them. But to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.